Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Step Solutions. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a Ring alarm system consisting of the base, the keypad, one range extender, one contact sensor, and one motion detector. It's a super quick and easy process, so let's hop straight into it. Please be aware you will need to download the Ring app and create an account when it comes time to connect and pair all of your devices. Besides that, you optionally need a small Phillips head screwdriver if you'd like to mount the keypad on a wall. Everything else can either be placed on a flat surface, or in the case of the contact sensor and motion detector, be stuck to a door or wall using the peel and stick tabs on the back of the devices. The first thing we need to do is set up our base, which acts as the central point for all of our other devices to connect to. Setting up the base is very easy. All you need is power and internet. You can either connect it to Wi-Fi or hardwire it to your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you'll connect it when adding the device in your Ring app. Once you have it powered on, open your Ring app and click on the three lines in the top left corner and select Set up a new device from the drop-down. From here, click Security, your model of the base station, your location that the system is. Make sure your base is in a good place to reach all of your devices or the range extender, and click Continue. You may need to grant the app permissions to allow it to connect to and locate your base from your phone. Now let's click the pairing button on the base and then Find My Base Station in the app, and it should find their base and add it to the app. Once successfully set up, it'll promote the Ring monitoring subscription, which is optional. There is a 30-day free trial, so give it a shot and see if you like it. Typically, there will be an update process on the base once you complete the setup as well. From this point on, each device is straightforward setup through the app. I'll go over the keypad as an example. From the Get Started page, we'll select the device we want to connect to our base. Once we select the device, we'll choose the location of the device. We can give it a unique name. In the case of the keypad, we'll set an access code, which is used to arm and disarm the system. We can even create shared codes for other people to use. For each remaining device, you can follow the on-screen instructions from the app to get it added to your base. Remember to use the range extender when needed for devices that may be out of range of the base. From the app, you can configure different settings for each device. So in the case of the motion sensor, if you have a lot of pets or cats, you can decrease or increase the sensitivity depending on what you need. And there you have it, everyone. That's definitely the easiest alarm system I've ever had to install. And if you want to add more sensors or motion detectors, it's the same process through the app, which makes it really convenient. And as always, thank you for making it to the end of the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys at the next one.